So we're installing the spoiler on this Sentra, and this is a B18, which is from 2020 to 24. And yeah, we have a spoiler uh, kit that comes with this template. And where I'm installing the tape, it's numbered. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4. And if you follow the numbers, you will get that template on there really straight. It's good to take the time and do that. Otherwise, you could have some issues when you go to drill the holes. Here we have a better view of our template. You can see where they align with the tape. And on the template, it does have the drill bit sizes in metric and fractions. And here we're using an automatic center punch. These are really handy if you don't have one. There's a small divot in the middle of the circle on the template, and you just kind of point it in there and punch away. And here we're just removing the template. I like to keep it right on top there so I can reference it for the drill bit sizes. So the next step is to drill 1/8 inch pilot holes. Just carefully line it up. So I prefer to use these unibits. They cut these perfect circles that are much smoother than a regular drill bit. And you can actually get these fairly cheap at like a Harbor Freight. Okay, so before actually peeling off that tape, I do a dry fit just to make sure that it's lined up and centered. This kit is a Nissan kit. It comes with pretty much everything you need. There's also a set of trunk springs that come with it. I didn't show that part of it. They're just a little bit stronger for the extra weight on the spoiler. The difference is not that much. Just get all that tape to hold and the clips to snap in. So wrapping it up, there's two nuts that go on from the bottom of the trunk lid. I didn't show taking off the cover or the clips or anything like that. I figure that's pretty self-explanatory, and I didn't want to have a very long video. I think it's already long enough. And hey, thanks for watching.